Hi, hello and salam. Welcome to CoelhosGarden. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow us on Instagram. Today we're making a very delicious flavor-filled chicken curry, and I'm sure this dish will be enjoyed by the entire family, and you can also make this dish when you have guests come over. Let's make the dish now. In a pan, add the oil. Add in the cinnamon, cloves, peppercorns and the red chili. Mix it about for 10 seconds and then add in the onions. Mix the onions well until they turn moist and slightly brown. This takes roughly about 2 minutes, and keep stirring in between so that it doesn't stick onto the pan. Now you can add the green chili, ginger garlic, and cook it for another minute. Now you don't have to cook your onions until they're completely brown, so make sure your stove is on medium. Now it's time to add in your spices. So we start with half a teaspoon of turmeric, then we add on the meat masala, garam masala, chili powder, and then the coriander. Now mix it all well and cook until the dry smell is gone. Now I love my curry to be really spicy, so I've added the spice according to my taste. If you would like curry to be less spicy, then you can probably reduce the amount of chilies and the red chili powder used. Now it's time to add in the chicken. Coat the chicken entirely with the masala which is made and cook it for another minute. Add 2 cups of water and mix it well. Now you add your salt, and you can adjust your salt as per your preference. Now cover the chicken and let the chicken cook for another 10 to 12 minutes. You can set your stove from medium to high. I love the aroma of this chicken. It smells amazing. Now we add the curd into the curry and we mix well. Now we cook it again for another 5 to 7 minutes. You can see the curry, it's thickened. We add coriander, we switch off the flame, and our delicious flavor-filled chicken is ready to serve. Let's plate our dish now. I really love this curry with rice. It goes really well with chapati as well. Thank you for watching my video. Leave a comment below if you've liked my recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can follow me on Instagram. The account link is in the description. See you on Sundays, Tuesdays and Fridays.